Hello, I'm Kim. I'm one of the Information Services Librarians for the Wellesley Free Library, and today I wanted to go over the resources available for finding books and audiobooks that are always available. So meaning titles that you can go in and you can download immediately. No wait lists or holds. So first we're going to start with going to the e-library, and this is a list of all of our digital resources and digital services. So one of your options is Hoopla, and I've done another tutorial on Hoopla which offers ebooks, e-audio, and video, and all of the content on Hoopla is always available, so that's a great place to start. And now I want to show you in Overdrive how you can set the parameters to search for titles that are always available. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in. So all you need to do is you need to select your library, and for Wellesley patrons, we are part of the Minuteman Consortium. We're going to enter in our library card and your PIN, and then go ahead and sign in. So along the top of the page, you're going to go into collections, and then you can see there's a lot of options for ebooks, audiobooks, and video. And right at the top, they know this is important, under ebooks, is all available now. So let's go into that. And these are titles that have all been returned. As you can see, there's a lot of well-known popular titles in here, and they're available for immediate checkout. So this is a nice way to start browsing if you're just looking for something that you want to read right away. So from this page, on the left-hand side, you can filter down even further into fiction, non-fiction, juvenile fiction, romance, etc. So let's click on fiction. So these give you all different choices, and you can sort them in different ways as well. And then if there's something that you're interested in, all you would do is click on borrow, and you can change your loan period to 7, 14, or 21 days. So if you're a really fast reader, you'll know, you're going to finish this over the weekend. You could select 7 days, and that would give other people the opportunity to read it quicker. And then all you would have to do is click on borrow, and then you can either read on your computer or you can transfer it to a device. So these are always available ebooks. Next, we're going to go back into collections, and let's look in. So these are always available audiobooks. So this is a different collection, and these titles are available all the time. So we're going to go ahead and click on, let's see here, so it's similar to the ebooks, and there's a lot of different titles. Again, you would just go ahead and click on borrow, select your loan period, and then click on borrow. And again, you can listen on your computer or any device you can download to. So this is also very similar if you're using any of the apps. You can use the Overdrive, or there's another app for Overdrive called Libby, and you can use all of these always are available now functions there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the videos. I'm looking at available now. So these just show you again ones that you can go ahead and watch right away, because I know that's really important to people when you sit down or getting ready for a long weekend. You don't want to wait, you want something good to read. So the last thing I want to show you, we're going to go back to the Wellesley Free Library website, and I'm going to show you staff picks. So we created a staff picks page that has staff recommendations on titles that are always available. So I'm going to show you how to get to that. From there, we're going to go into services, and then on the right side it says what to read, and at the very bottom is staff picks. So as you can see, the top one is always available audiobooks, always available ebooks, and then there's always available digital movies. And they do scroll, so you can click through to see if there's anything of interest. And then if there is something that looks good to you, you can go ahead and click on it, and it's going to bring you to the library catalog. From there, it'll take you to Hoopla. This particular one is from Hoopla, and it's going to ask you to log in, and then you can borrow the title. So this is our staff picks that we created. So here are just a few ways to get titles right away. There's Overdrive and Libby, Hoopla, and then here are some staff pick recommendations that we have pulled together for you. So happy reading, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to any of the librarians. Thank you. Bye-bye.